Yes,
Okay. So good morning. Please open chapter number 7. Okay. This is page number 141, right? Yeah, page 141. Okay, so I would just like to clarify again, like we said, when you look at the course outline, you know, we have given headings according to the topics. And when you look at the book, the chapters, please try to match the topics with the chapters. They don't have to exactly coincide. For example, if we say topic number 3 or 4 in the course outline may correspond to, let's say, a different chapter in the book. So please study accordingly. I have clarified this before also. I checked the topics and the chapters, and approximately 10 topics correspond to 13 chapters. Again, in the chapters, like we are not, sometimes we only cover the topics that are related to what we have in the course outline. So we are not doing everything. Like in one of the chapters, I think in the chapter 3 we left the last topic, right. So please study accordingly. Also the homework and the quizzes and so on have been designed according to the topics, right. So I have uploaded homework number 2 and I have also sent you the notification. So it's accessible to you, you can start working on it. Is that clear? Have you seen your quiz marks? So I sent you a notification yesterday that you can see your quiz marks. Have you seen your homework 1 marks?
yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you know how to do it. ठीक है ना? So when a quiz or a homework closes, after some time I open the marks. Okay. So that you know what you've done. Right. So everything is clear. We are all comfortable, and if we are going online, you know how to proceed. ठीक है ना? Now I think it was advantageous that you got a few weeks to come to campus and actually communicate and sort out all the issues that you have. Now you are comfortable. If we go online, I will be using Zoom, okay. So Zoom will be a live class. The live class will be taken at the same time as the usual class that we have, okay. So the timings will remain the same in my case, okay. And secondly, how will I invite you to Zoom? I will just send you the link, okay. So you will get the link via your email, and just like you get the notifications, and we can also share the link on WhatsApp. So you are comfortable with Zoom, you know how to use it, you just have to download the app and you can start using it. The quizzes, the homeworks will be on Moodle like we are already doing it. The book, the material, I am uploading it to Moodle already. Okay. Now today we have the lab at 2 p.m. Before coming to the lab, have you watched the Beta Baatein Nahi Karni? Have you watched the video related to the experiment we are going to perform? You should always watch the video, okay, because since these days you are coming for half of the time and you are not coming full time. So we want to save time by giving you the material before the lab, so that you come prepared and you immediately start performing, okay. So please, before you come to the lab, watch the video and go through the worksheets related to that experiment. So the experiment we are performing today is projectile motion 2. Already we have done this in the class as well. You have also done this for your homework and so on. So you are very familiar with the topic, you know the equations, you know the physics, you know the concept, and that is what you are going to actually practice in the lab, okay. But again, come prepared. So do you all have your worksheets for the lab? Are you regularly getting them checked?
Yes.
After every lab, get them checked, get the marks recorded, make sure that they have been recorded, because these will be then added to your final assessment, okay. So this is a graded activity. Is that clear? So make sure that you get it recorded, you get it checked, and you also complete the work that's required in your worksheets. Don't think that you will come on the last day and ask us to check the worksheets. We will not check the worksheets on the last day. We check them during the lab. Okay, right. So
About the procedure of labs when you go online.
very interesting question. Okay, so what we did in the spring semester was that we gave you the materials related to the lab and you studied from them, and the next step was that we gave you a virtual link where you can practice those experiments. You know how virtual labs work. You know that there are some virtual lab where you can go and you can change the parameters and you can perform the experiment and see how it changes. For example, if you're changing force, you can see the effect on acceleration, for example, or you're changing the angle and you can see the change on the range of the projectile. So these are called virtual experiments. So we did something like this last time. Of course, I will be communicating to you from time to time how you're supposed to do it. But again, keep yourself regularly updated through Moodle. Beta ye pehno na. And also pay attention to your emails, the official emails, okay? And WhatsApp is an additional facility that you have. Okay, so I think you're all good to go. There's no problem. All you need to do is that you have to have an internet connection at home. Okay, na? And you can easily perform and follow. If that's the case, if we cannot come, then it will be online. You like it online, I know that. Online के अपने फायदे हैं ना? Well, we are a little bit concerned about that, but if we don't have a choice, that's what we have to do. यही style होगा. This is the standard pattern that we are following. In the GRE exam also you follow such a pattern. So you can have the problem solving and everything, but then in the end you just have to go to the MCQ format, and because it's easier to take such a quiz on the Moodle format, it's easier to do it. ठीक है ना? अगर हम आपको कहीं टाइप करके पूरी दिखाओ अपनी working, तो it will be very difficult for you to do it. ठीक है? So in case हमें कोई doubt हो तो हम आपसे कह सकते हैं हम अपनी working का photo upload कर दो. ठीक है? But at the moment MCQ format can be used. ठीक है? Is that clear?
What for the finalists?
Beta, please, I'm not making the decisions here. ठीक है?
I mean, if university is open and then we have.
If it depends on the situation. If university is open, then we will think about taking a final here. Okay? If they don't open, then we will have to do it online. And online can be like an open book exam. ठीक है ना? ठीक है? Okay. You have to be honest and sincere with your studies, right? And if you try to take advantage, or if you try to, sort of not take care of academic integrity, of course, it can be judged, right? And then you will be asked to prove what you have done. ठीक है ना? So I hope that we all follow this. ठीक है ना? We do understand it. अंदाज़ा हो जाता है कि आपने खुद किया या कैसे किया. ठीक है? And if you do it yourself, of course, it's beneficial for you. आप यहाँ पे सीखने आए हैं, है ना? For the rest of your life. So even if once you get away with doing something, it's not going to serve you later in life. And अभी तो you have the time and the facility to do it. Later on, it might not be possible. ठीक है? Okay. So the topic is kinetic energy and work. Like this course is about mechanics. Okay? And mechanics deals with motion, right? So that's what we're doing. Okay? So it's not like one chapter is completely disconnected from the other chapter. Actually, they're all related, because if you look at what we've been doing so far, starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now 7, it's actually using the concepts that you already know to try to solve problems related to motion, right? So when you are working with motion, we started with units, right? And because there's no problem and no concept you can clarify without the use of units, and therefore this was a basic concept that had to be clarified in the beginning. After that, we've been using things like displacement, velocity, acceleration, which you're already familiar with. and we have been using the equations of motion. Then we went to Newton's law again, which are related to the relationship between force and motion, and in all these things we are also utilizing the concept of vectors, right. So, and now we are also drawing the vector diagrams for that. So, this is a continuation of that. So, what is kinetic energy? The energy, what is the formula? Very good. The energy possessed by a moving body. When a body is in motion, it has a certain amount of energy, okay, and